Okay, listen very carefully. So I don't know if the mic on the camera's picking it up, but I think there's a nest of woodpeckers up there. I've seen a pair of woodpeckers darting around the trees. They're very timid though, so I'm going to stay here for a bit and see if I can record any. The chicks won't come out, but if I can get some of the parents out, that'll be good. I hope the mic on the camera's picking it up. There's definitely a pair of woodpeckers. They recorded one, but they're dancing around the tops of the trees, so they're actively feeding their chicks. Fantastic. Okay, that's enough. What I don't like doing is hanging around somewhere too much and disturbing the creatures, so I'm going to head off now. But what a fantastic little interaction that was. Brilliant.